Inside Lily's backpack, a colorful silence reigned. Until one day, the red crayon grumbled. "I'm the most important. Without me, hearts and apples would be colorless." Blue quickly replied, "Oh really? What about the sky, the sea?" "I bring calm and depth to every drawing." Yellow wouldn't stay quiet either. "Excuse me, but I bring the light." "Without me, the sun wouldn't shine." Soon, the other crayons joined in. Green, purple, orange, all claiming to be the most essential. The box turned into a whirlwind of voices and sharp tips. But on that very same day, Lily cheerfully opened her backpack. It was Rainbow Drawing Day. She spread the crayons out on the table and lovingly used each one. As she drew, she began to sing.
Every color has its beauty, its sparkle and its part. Together they make poetry with paper, brush and heart. The world becomes more lovely with every shade that glows. United we are stronger, let's color as we go. Red brings warmth and passion, blue helps dreams take flight. Yellow is the sunshine, green brings calm and light. In purple lives the kindness, in orange lives the cheer. And when we come together, imagination appears.
The crayons went silent. They listened to the song and looked at each other with shy glances. It was true. Red needed blue, yellow matched with orange, and no drawing was complete with just one color. From that day on, they never argued again. Inside Lily's backpack, the crayons had learned that true brilliance comes from diversity and teamwork.
In purple lies the kindness, in orange lies the cheer. And when we come together, imagination appears.